Hello, welcome back to O-Level Mathematics tutorial with Sam. Last video we talked about the addition of number base. In this video we are going to talk about subtraction, multiplication, division of number base. Now, for example, subtraction starts from the right. So we are starting from this our right hand side, and the example says subtract 2928 from 3296. Since no base is written under it like the second example, automatically it is in what? Base 10. Now let's start. 6 subtracted from 8 is not possible. There's another rule that once the borrowed value should be the base. This is in base 10. I want to include this so that you will not forget how to solve it. So 6 subtracted by 8, that is impossible. So you say you borrow 1 from here. So this remain what? 8. This side you borrow 1. So instead of writing 1, since we are dealing with number base, you write what? Base 10. So it's now be 10 plus 6, which is what? 16. 16 minus 8 will now give us what? 16 minus 8 will give us 8. We'll now write the 8. Now 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 9 is not possible, so you borrow from here. This remainder 2. Instead of writing 1 here, since we are dealing with base 10, your power will be what? 10. So it will now be 10 plus 2, which is 12. 12 minus 9, 12 minus 9 is 2. So you write 2. So this is the final answer. The second example, subtract 3256 base 8 from 7534. So it's in base 8. 4 minus, we are starting from the what? Right hand side. 4 minus 6 is impossible, so you borrow 1 from here. This remainder 2. You borrow 1 from here. Instead of writing 1, since it's in base 8, it will what? 8. So it will be 8 plus 4, which is what? 12. So these two are 12. So minus 6 will give us what? 6. So you write 6. 2 minus 5 is impossible. You borrow from here. This remainder 4. So it should be what? Your power will be what? 8 instead of writing 1. So it will be 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 5. That is what? 5. So write 5. Now 4 minus 2 is easy. That is 2. And 7 minus 3. That is what? 4. So since it's in base 8, you write what? Base 8. Let's move to division of number base. So example 1, divide 8 by 1104. They are in base 10. So divide by 8 by 11, that is 1. 8 times 1, that is 8. Remainder 3. Because division is starting from what? The left to the right. So we are starting from here, moving to the right hand side. So 8 divided by 11, that is 1. 8 times 1 is, that is 11 minus 8, that is 3. You now bring down this 0, bring it down. So 8 in 30, 8 in 30 is what? 3. 8 times 3, that is 24. 24. So 30 minus 24, that is 6. Then bring down this 4. So 8 in 64, that is what? 8. 8 times 8, 64. So the final answer is what? 138. So divide 23 from 8004. So 23 divided by 80. 23 divided by 80 will give us 3. 3 times 23, that is 69. So you subtract, that is what? 11. Bring down the 0. 23 in 1 10. 23 in 1 10 is 4. 4 times 23, that is 92. Subtract, so 18. Then bring this 4 down. 23 in 184 is 8. 8 times 23, 184. This is 0, 0. Because 184 minus 184. So the final answer is 348. Multiplication of base. We have to follow this rule. Multiplication starts from right to left. That means we are starting from this right to the left. And if the multiplication exceeds the value of the base, you subtract it from the base and write the words remainder. Let's start from the first example. 24 multiplied by 6, they are all in base 10. If I told you, even if base 10 is not written on it and it is plain like this, it means it's in base 10. So 2 times 4 is 24. Right, that right 4 carry 2. 2 times 6, 12, plus 2, that is what? 14. So your answer is 144. For the second one, they are all in what? Base what? 3. So that means once you multiply your answer, it must not exceed the value of the base. So 2 times 1 is what? 2. We still leave it as 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4, it has exceed the value of the base because the base is what? Is in base 3. And base 3 means 1, 2, 3. So it must not, it's between 0 to what? 3. So it has 0 to 2. So it has addition of base. We have to follow this rule. Multiplication starts from right to left. That means we are starting from this right to the left. And if the multiplication exceeds the value of the base, you subtract it from the base and write the words remainder. Let's start from the first example. 24 multiplied by 6, they are all in base 10. If I told you, even if base 10 is not written on it and it is plain like this, it means it's in base 10. So 2 times 4 is 24. Right, that right 4 carry 2. 2 times 6, 12, plus 2, that is what? 14. So your answer is 144. For the second one, they are all in what? Base what? 3. So that means once you multiply your answer, it must not exceed the value of the base. So 2 times 1 is what? 2. We still leave it as 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4, it has exceed the value of the base because the base is what? Is in base 3. And base 3 means 1, 2, 3. So it must not, it's between 0 to what? 3. So it has 0 to 2. So it has exceed the value of the what? The base. So since it is 1 remainder 1, 1 remainder 1, so you write the what? The remainder, which is 1, and just be written straight down, which is base what? Base 3. So we are done with the number base. So assignment: divide 14256 by 132, multiply 456 base 6 by 314 base 6, subtract 187 base 9 from 262 base 9. So the solutions will be sent to my gmo2016@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.